Welcome po sa Kabayan in Kuwait. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
So, tell me about your journey. I mean,
Okay.
you're a financial planner, financial consultant, a book author, a stock trader.
Okay.
So, can you share us your journey?
Okay, it started, just to give you a background, my course in college was engineering. It's very far from what I'm doing now.
Well, isn't there like a little relation there with the numbers and all?
There is now, looking at it from hindsight, because when I see numbers, when I see charts, it becomes easy for me. But when I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, I was thinking that, oh no, engineering is quite far from the financial industry. I may be disqualified to actually do this and actually make something happen in this field. But something happened when I was in college. My dad was a good employee. He was one of the top management people in GlaxoSmithKline.
Ah, okay.
And then there was a time before they just merged. They recently merged in the early 2000s. When
with Pfizer.
Yeah. It was SmithKline at that time. Then
SmithKline,
Glaxo,
Beecham.
and then SmithKline, Beecham, and Glaxo, they merged into GSK. When they merged, he was given an option to retire. So he took that early retirement plan. But there was something that happened where, since he didn't have any savings, and syempre, if you're a father, you have continuous expenses for your family.
Yes.
So the most responsible thing that he did was he tried to start a business. So we started two businesses, a gasoline station and a napkin distributorship. Ayun, something happened with those two businesses that lived off interest. It's not sobrang glamorosong buhay, but it's something that was, I think it was something that he would be able to live comfortably if he would have chosen to go to work as a consultant or do other things. At least he had something already earning for him that was passive. So that was a staging point in my life. I said to myself, whatever happened to him should not happen to me. So one of my biggest secrets when I started out, I budgeted well, and I was super kuripot, and I would try to find as much ways to earn additional income in the weekends, on the weekdays. I'd try to earn money. Then, ayun, from that income, I would save as much as I can sa bank. I would save, I would just save. And then, as I studied further, that's when I learned that, hey, I can actually invest, I can actually do other businesses. So, I started, it was so alive in me that I needed to invest, I needed to save, I needed to make my money work hard for me.
That's where the market is. We're an emerging market, right?
And yeah, and it's what I know, and it's what I see. And if I would encourage people to invest, syempre, when I do talks to OFWs, I tell them, come here to the Philippines. This is where the money is needed the most. Don't put it in other countries where ibang tao makikinabang.